With lookup fields, you can create forms that retrieve information from places like other forms, your website users, or even other services. You can use this information to fill a text box or even create radio buttons and checkboxes. Creating a lookup field is easy and doesn't require any coding. All you need to do is drag a lookup field. Select where you want to get the information from. This could be another form, the users of your site or another service. For this example, I'm going to retrieve information from another form I created, which is just a form where I can submit products. Since I'm creating a lookup radio, I need to configure what is going to be the radio label and value of each item. These two are the equivalent of a normal radio button label and value. So for this example, I am going to link the label to the name of the product and the value to its price. And that's it. Now my form will create a radio item for each product I have submitted in the other form. But wait, there is more. You can also add filters in the lookup field to retrieve only specific rows from my other form. For example, my other form also divides the products by category. So I could go to the filters section and make my lookup field retrieve only products in the category of games. Or even better, in this form I could create a radio field with all the categories and link it with my lookup filter. This way, my lookup radio will display the products with the category selected by my user. And that's it. I hope you liked the video, but if you have questions or suggestions to make the plugin better, let me know in the comment section.